from my face. Ooh. Watch your ears. Are you guys ready for Valentine's Day hair? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Cassandra. If you are new here, hopefully you will stick around and become a subscriber. Today is day 6 of our Love and Obsession series. If you missed episode 1 through 5, I will have the playlist linked up top. So as I said at the beginning of this video, we are doing Valentine's Day hair. So let's get started. So I did this hair yesterday on my Valentine's Day idea video, and I flexi rotted it last night, so it still held up pretty nice. But today I wanted to do like one of these situations, something real cute, like a little updo. I love updos, so yeah, let's see what we can do with that. First, I'm gonna take this out. I still want that like bang piece. It's right here, kind of like hanging. I got a brush, hairspray, my comb, some bobby pins, some rubber bands, and a hair tie. Then something a little special. So take this like this. This is what's going in the updo. So I'm gonna take my hair tie, make me a ponytail. This is our ponytail. So kinda just want to take that, just like that, bobby pin that piece right where I want it, curl it to fix that curl, and grab just like that, bobby pin. And as curly and pretty as I want it to be. From my face. Ooh. Watch your ears. Spray. Spray it. Just to tame any flyaways, since it's Valentine's Day, I want to give my bangs something cute. Yeah. By the way, I got these from Michael's. They were, I don't know how much, but I will try to find them and link them down in the description box below. That's it. That's our look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to me, and then come back tomorrow for the last day of our Love and Obsession series. If you would like to follow me on any of my socials, I am flawlesspink_ on everything. That is it. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.
I wish I could make you stay, 'cause baby I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, 'cause baby I love you.